Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the Quick Optimizer inside TubeTuner AI. So this is the fastest way to improve your YouTube video titles, descriptions, and that's again by using AI. So let's just go step by step, slowly so you don't miss anything. First thing that I want to do is of course to log in into my accounts here. As you can see, channel real well is logged in into account, and here we are. So again, let's go slowly. The Quick Optimizer is designed for creators who want fast results without complicated settings. And that's it. I mean, you just paste your YouTube video link and the AI analyzes your content to suggest a better title, description, and tags, and it's all in one place. So it's perfect for beginners and also for fixing older videos that did not perform well. So where can you find it? Of course, once you log into your account on TubeTuner, on the dashboard, on the left menu side, you got Quick Optimizer, a second option below Studio Optimizer right here. So you can check it out for yourself. Here it says you can paste your YouTube link right here, your YouTube video URL to get AI-powered title and description suggestions. In this box, drop video link, you can select the number of suggestions you like from one to more. Transcript, yes or no. You can see what it is, what it means. You can see add timestamps, what it means. This will add timestamps to the description for each important segment. So it's again that easy. So what we should do right here is just select a video. For example, some of the videos that did not perform well, like let's just scroll. I mean, neither of those performed well, but let's just see this one is the simplest one. How to change currency Shopify. Terrible headline, terrible title. Let's be honest. That's why it got 0 likes in one view in 1 year. Here down below we can see terrible description and non-existing tags, if I can see. Yeah, I mean, this video is doomed. It's literally doomed. So let's just see what we can do to make it better. I mean, what you can do to make your videos better. Copy the link, go back to TubeTuner. We are in Quick Optimizer section. Select drop a video link, paste, optimize now. That's copy the link, paste the link, press optimize now. You got 3 clicks. 3 clicks for you. You do not need to break your head to think nonstop what title should I use, which is more SEO friendly, more clickable, etc. What description I need to type in description and so on, or I need to think about the tags to investigate, search what tags perform well in my niche and stuff like that. Guys, why I didn't even finish my sentence and the TubeTuner is done, but it's worth it. Current one, we can see how to change currency Shopify, and the new one, how to switch Shopify currency in 3 clicks. More interesting, more clickable, more SEO friendly title already. Right here, description we can see the improved description right here, and when I update it, so we can see it full. And the transcript is here as well, and as I said, non-existing tags, and we can see TubeTuner 8 to 10 new tags which can be applied. So guys, let's just see again. This is it right now. Let's say this is the description, this is the title, no tags, and let's update it. And update. Everything is updated in seconds. Let's just load video again. I mean, how to switch Shopify currency in 3 clicks? Done. How to right here, sorry, the tags and the description, done. So guys, this is really stunning. I mean, this is like in imagine if you were doing how to tutorials on any base of tutorials on any base of faceless videos. You're running faceless YouTube channel, you are in basically whichever type of channel you run. Imagine just on if you're uploading constantly, or even if you don't, but let's just imagine you were uploading constantly, like a couple of videos a day, 10, 20, 35, 50 videos a day, and even with 2 videos, but let's just go with the huge amount of videos. With channels for posting constantly a huge amount of videos. Imagine how much time, will you save with this? No thinking about description, no thinking about about title or even that. Just calculate it. How much goes, how much of your time you spend on those three things, which, by the way, can be terrible. To be quite honest, you can see this one. For me, this video was terribly optimized, even with description, which the tag, which the title, all three segments were disgusting. And that's why I had one view in 1 year. And right now, as I said, in 10 seconds, in 3 clicks, I got this video optimized like this. So it's up to you. You can just check right now the TubeTuner, the Quick Optimizer section. You can just sign up, guys, to your TubeTuner and just get 45 credits for free, which you can use to optimize a couple of your videos, guys, to see the magic that TubeTuner actually does for your channel and for you in general. So, what would I mentioned for the last, guys? I mean, Quick Optimizer is only about speed and simplicity, and it removes guesswork and gives you a solid starting point. Because once you have done with Quick Optimizer, you can just stop focusing on this YouTube dirty word. I mean, I call it that way. The thumbnails, the word, templates, thumbnails, headlines, and everything, and just focus on your content. And I think that's a perfect start. So, check it out, explore it. TubeTuner AI link is down below in the description, and let me know in the comments what you think about it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.